Hello guys, welcome back. In the last lecture, we fixed the multiple queries issue within the loop by using eager loading in the connections controller. Now in this lecture, we will fix few more tweaks quickly and then we will move forward. So the first fix we need to do in our project is for the my profile page of the currently signed in user. Okay. For example, if you click on the my profile link now, you can see that this link is in the header, and if you click on this link now, you will get an error. And this is because of the condition we added in the member personal detail partial. Okay, so let me show you that condition. So first switch to the project directory, okay, and then go to the member personal details html erb partial. Okay, so here you can see that what we are doing, that first we are checking whether user is signed in or not. If it is signed in, then we are checking where the current user has a connection established with other user or not for the user he is visiting the profile. But we forget to add a check for the current user's detail page. Okay, since the detail page of current user and other user are same, so we need to check a condition here that if current user is user, then we need to return nil as a status. Okay, so and in that case, I mean, by handling that condition we can remove this error. Okay, so here you can see that we implemented this get connection status method in the application helper. Okay, so just go to the definition, I mean in the application helper, and here you can see get connection status. So what we need to do here we need to return nil if current user and user are the same. So what we can do here, return nil if current user equal to user. Okay, and now add the line break here. Okay, why? Because whenever you use a return in the top of your method and then you have some more code after the return line, then you have to keep a line break as a standard practice. Okay, now save the helper method and then come to the browser and refresh your my network my profile page. Okay, so switch to the browser and refresh this page, and now you will see that the error has been gone. Okay, now as the other tweak, we need to work on the my network page. Okay, so go to the my network link, and here you can see that everything is working fine, but in terms of ui you can see that we are seeing the inconsistencies in the card of the user where we are displaying the user details. So here you can see that this card has a different height, then this card has a different height, then this card has a different height. Okay, so we need to make all card heights consistent. Also we need to add a link on the uh, this link, I mean this username. So whenever a user click on this link, he can directly visit the profile page of this user from here as well. Okay, so now what we need to do, just go to the index.html erb of connections controller. Okay, so here you can open the index file from the app views connections. Okay, and now here you can see that we are displaying this name and the profile title in the paragraph and small text. So we now need to place this uh, link within a div. Okay, and now we can add the styles here. For example, let's say style and add min height as, let's say, 100 pixel. Okay, and now we need to place this paragraph and a small tag within the div element. Okay, and end this div here. Okay, and now we can add link to this p tag. So what we can do here, link to, and then member path, and now we need to provide the user object. Okay, so the user object is connection dot requested. Okay, so you can add connection dot requested here, and then add a style here, style that is text decoration none. Okay, and add a class that is text primary, and then we can add target blank. Sorry, add the comma after this text primary, remove the semicolon, add comma here, and now add the target as blank. Okay, so whenever user click on this link, it will be open in the new page. Okay, and now add the do and place the paragraph tag within the link. Okay, and end this link tag now. Okay, now save it and come to the browser. So when you refresh the page now, okay, you will see that all the cards within this all the cards within this requested connection card are have the consistent height. Okay, but you can see that these cards are attached to each other, so we can add here mt3 class or mt2, whatever you want to provide. I am providing mt3. Okay, so now if you refresh the page, you can see that both all cards are consistent now. And now if you click on this user's link, you will see that uh, this is opening the user's detail page in a new browser tab, and you can see the status of its connection here. Okay, now let's do the same thing for the received connection block as well. Okay, so we will do the same changes for the received connection block, except we need to change the path with a different object. Okay, so just come to the received connection block, and here what we need to do, you can simply copy this link tag. Okay, so just copy this link and we need to paste it here. First make it in within the div. So div style mean height 100 pixel. Okay, now place the paragraph and small text within the div element. Okay, and now we need to add this paragraph within the link tag. Okay, and here you need to change the object, that is connection dot received. Okay, and here and this link and save it. Now go to the browser and refresh the page. When you refresh the page, you will see that this request received connection block also has link to the users, so that whenever you click on this username, you will see their profile in different page. Okay, so now all the tweaks that we want to fix in this lecture has been done. Okay, and that's all from this lecture. Okay, so what we will do in the next lecture, so here you can see that we are seeing this accept and reject button as the static button. So what we will do in the next lecture, that we will perform some event. So whenever a user click on the accept button, this connection has been removed from here and it will be placed to the accepted connection. Okay, and then we will add another block here to display the accepted connection for this user or confirmed connection for this user. Okay, and if user click on the reject, then the connection request has set the status that is rejected. Okay, so please try this lecture at your end, fix the tweaks on your end too, and we will meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.